Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, here with another review. So this is the first video, a first look, and this time we're outside of Kingston. We're in St. Catherine. To be more specific, we're on the Spanish Town bypass. So there's a new development happening. It's quite big in terms of size. I was literally driving past and I had my drone on me and I said to myself, why not cover this? The only thing though, I don't know what's coming here. I don't know what's happening. So I know you guys in my comments is way smarter than I am. So if anyone know what is being developed here, what is coming here, or what this development is about, just let me know in the comments. They don't have much structure, so I can't say if it's, you know, if it's a housing development or a commercial development. I can't say what it is because most of what happening so far is drainage, clearing off the land, and the perimeter wall. But as I mentioned, it's on the Spanish Town bypass. It's a very big space that is being developed. I'm also gonna set up the drone so you guys can get to see some aerial shots of what's happening as well. But I'm relying on you guys for this video just to tell me what is happening here if you guys know. So stay tuned for some drone shots, and as usual, remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share as well, and definitely like the video. Again, we are in St. Catherine. We're on the Spanish Town bypass. And guys, remember, the easiest way to support the channel is by subscribing. Subscribing is completely free. So remember to subscribe and join the Raymore Reviews community.